there's a lot of pieces there. I think one of the things that we have identified and we're trying to get at, and I've alluded to it, is really trying to get at operations. Obviously, they need to be reliable, they need to work, but we got to find a way to get them to scale, right? Like we've seen in Earth orbit, we went from dozens of satellites in a constellation now to thousands. Incredible, transformations there. So if you think about what do we need to do at the moon, these one or two kind of key successes at a time are obviously really impressive and important. But I think for us, it's about how do we operate at scale? How do we do communications and navigation at scale? And I think a lot of those kind of foundational pieces exist in similar ways to like they did for Capstone a couple of years ago, right? Where we have launch, we have spacecraft, we even have landers that we've seen recently. Great success from the team at Firefly to land on the moon as a commercial company. So you see, we sort of have each of these pieces, but I think what's really missing, or what we're trying to work on, is how to put those together in a repeatable fashion so that we can get several of these types of missions going at any one time. There's plenty of different things we need to understand about the moon, about the surface of the moon, about these environments, things we need to have for awareness. And so when we start thinking about this, from transitioning from a sort of one-off great success like a Capstone or like Firefly did with their lander, to a something that is repeatable and at scale, I think that's that challenge, is really shifting not just necessarily the mindset, but some of those underlying technologies. Like I said, we're just at capacity on a lot of our Earth-based infrastructure. We got to find ways to shift off that.